I'm back at Lowe's, looking for insulation for the roof of the bus. Because now we got the AC, we got to button it up and get it cool in there, stay cool. The stuff I'm looking at is this styrofoam insulation. It's about thickness that I think that it'll actually fit in the groove up above by the headliner, or above the headliner. And the cool thing is there's a finish on each side, so if I wanted to, I could use some 3M glue and put a headliner on it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, get 3 of them. I think I'm gonna start with the, well, first put them start. If you're gonna put a headliner on your bus, put a radiant barrier. I just use the spray glue and put it up there. I've had it there for a while. It makes a tremendous difference just in its own for sound. But if you, but when you redo the insulation, I'm using 3/4 foam board. I just measured across, tried to guesstimate as how much it's going to bend, kind of thing, and I'm coming up with 54 inches. I think is going to be the best bet. So that's going to be my first panel. I'm going to give it a shot. It's going to be the easiest panel. Let me show you. I'm going to go ahead and go with this panel right here, since it's it'll be a good test to get an idea that I'm doing everything right, and then I'll probably work my way back and then do the front one last, because I think that one's probably going to be the most difficult one to figure out. All right, guys, you can kind of see it's up there pretty tight. I'm using these tools that you use for like door panels and kind of flipping it up over that edge. I cut it down to 52, then I took another 1/2 inch off, and I may take another 1/2 inch off, but it's slowly working its way up in there. All right, I've already got 2 pieces in, or 2 sections. It's not really a science to this, guys. You just kind of got to wrestle them in. Probably the best tool I've got is this extra long one, where you can kind of put it up on the under the edge of the bus and then flip it up, and it'll pop it up in there. But I can already notice a difference in temperature here, which I'm curious when I get it all in, how much of a difference that will be. So where we're at on it right now is I've gone ahead and put these boards up here to hold these things flush up against the headliner until I can get something across there that's going to be actually the finished headliner. But on these ones here, I need to get them, I don't know if you can see that, get them up there, and I'm going to need to do more boards here. But I've misplaced all of my self-tapping screws, so I need to get a few of those, but then I can do the back one, pushes right up in place, and then we should be good to go to try to find some material to put on the outside of the headliner. All right, guys, we got the little boards in there that's going to hold them in place till I put a regular headline in there. But yeah, I'm not mad at this. Just had to wrestle it quite a bit. It's a difficult thing to try to do. I'm very concerned about trying to put any type of birch wood on the ceiling in here, which is what I was planning on doing, kind of like how I did the door panels. But people do it, I see it, so if they can, I can. Anyway, guys, that was just a quick video just of how I put my headliner in here. We'll see in the next couple days what a difference it makes when it's hot outside and I'm running the AC. But I wanted to thank everybody and all the new subscribers. Man, that last video really took off, and so it's nice to see some more eyes on this channel, and I'm going to keep on making this bus ready for the road. And I know the next big trip is in November, but I may take one before then. I might even want to take one this weekend down to San Antonio. But I just wanted to tell you guys thanks again. Go work on your old Volkswagen. Peace, guys.